And this is what the fender looks like after only the first stage. Coming back down here. Now it's not perfect yet, but after the first aggressive polishing on it, what would need to happen now is you would have to follow up with some polish instead of a compound to jewel it up. Now, for obvious reasons, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this, but you get the idea. If you want to know if you have clear coat failure or if you have oxidation, all you have to do is get it wet and see if it changes color. If it goes away, it's oxidation. If it doesn't, it's clear coat failure. I can fix oxidation. I can fix some clear coat failure, but this is too far gone. This has been a Superior Finish Auto Reconditioning production.